yeah, yeah. I'm loving you more each day. Oh yes, yeah, yes.
My queen. I've been with you my whole adult life. So much has changed since then, but you have always been there. You've made me a better man. I see the world so differently because of you. And I love you for all that you have brought into my life. I vow to be an honest husband. I'll always put you and our children first. I love everything above everything on this earth. You are my most precious being. I treasure the lives that you nurture and bring into this world. I promise to always be yours. You will have me to laugh with through the ups and the downs for the rest of our lives. And our souls will be connected in the next. I love you with everything I have, and I will for the rest of the time.
Since love was always around, baby. So here I am, I don't understand, no.
Ready? Your love is a wave. It stretches further than I can envision. It carries hold and makes me feel weightless. My promises to you today are not near. We planted them through different seasons of our love. Promises that was nourished into a tree anchored to some roots. And like always, we will continue to walk through each storm and sunshine. You're a partner through life and parenthood, our biggest achievement. You are an amazing father. Every day with you and Ray is a life in constant summer. And just how the wave always returns to its shore, you are my home. At the end of each day, where you stand is where you find me.
I didn't mean to, baby. I didn't mean to fall in love. I didn't need you, baby. Tell me we'll never be apart. I didn't need to, baby, no. I didn't mean to.